Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Here we go. Overhead abduction refers to movements such as ringing a doorbell or combing the hair. When the humerus moves away from the body at a 180-degree angle, it is called abduction. Similarly, in overhead abduction, both the humerus and the scapula are involved in the movement. The scapula contains the glenoid cavity, which is normally positioned laterally. However, during overhead abduction, the scapula rotates laterally, causing the glenoid cavity to move superiorly. Now, the contribution of each bone in 180-degree angle overhead abduction movement. Humerus 120 degree of movement and scapula 60 degree of lateral rotation. This follows a 2:1 ratio, meaning both bones must move together to achieve full 180-degree overhead abduction. Moving further, the muscles involved in arm abduction. At first, supraspinatus 0 degree to 15 degree means it initiates the abduction function, and it is supplied by the suprascapular nerve from the brachial plexus, while supraspinatus is the most active in the first 0 degree to 15 degree. However, it continues contributing throughout the abduction. Next, the deltoid muscle, 15 degree to 100 degree movement. It is the most powerful abductor muscle, and the nerve supply is from the axillary nerve. The axillary nerve also supplies the teres minor muscle, which acts as the lateral rotator. After reaching 90 degrees, the humerus cannot move higher unless it undergoes lateral rotation, which is facilitated by the teres minor muscle. Finally, trapezius and serratus anterior muscles, 90 degree to 180 degree movements. Trapezius is supplied by the spinal accessory nerve. Serratus anterior is supplied by the long thoracic nerve of Bell. These muscles are essential for full overhead abduction function. For instance, if spinal accessory nerve gets damaged, resulting trapezius dysfunction, which leads to preventing shoulder elevation and limiting overhead abduction. If long thoracic nerve gets damaged, resulting serratus anterior dysfunction, which leads to impairing overhead abduction and difficulty in making actions like ringing a doorbell. That's the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Choose.